we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this rather popular and famous Twitch streamer. We'll be looking at how to say more names too, that many get wrong, so stay tuned to the channel. So how do you actually say this name? Well, it's a little complicated. I did some research and yeah, most people refer to her as Pokimane. Yeah, because that's what really the spelling suggests. Now she suggests that it should be said Pokimane because her name is Iman. Iman is how you say it actually in French, Iman. So I guess it should be say Pokimane. Pokimane really is how you should say the name. I think that's how she intended it originally. So Pokimane, Pokimane, yes. That's, I think, the closest that you can get. But a lot of people, as I said, refer to her as Pokimane. And some say it also as Pokemon. So it is a bit complicated. I think Pokimane is how you can say it. And now you know. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching.